Each utility company bills solar customers differently. This video details utilities with export rates. Here's how they work. The utility's electric meter tracks in real time how much electricity is imported from and exported to the utility grid. Every kilowatt hour that your solar system produces is first routed to your home. This reduces the amount of power that you need to import from the utility grid. If your solar system produces more electricity than is needed to power your home at any given time, the excess electricity is exported back to the utility grid. You will be paid the export rate for each kilowatt hour that is exported, which often comes in the form of a bill credit. If your solar system does not produce enough electricity to power your home at any given time, you will import electricity from the utility grid and pay the normal retail rates for this electricity. You can use the bill credits from your exported electricity to offset these charges. The rate paid for exported electricity is often lower than what customers will have paid to create that power with their solar system, so it typically makes sense to minimize the amount of power that your system exports to the grid. Customers that use lots of power during the day while their solar system is producing electricity benefit most in utilities with export rates. Batteries may also be a good solution, which can store solar power for use later in the day. Before installing a solar system in a utility with export rates, make sure that you've discussed your typical daily usage pattern with your solar specialist to ensure that your system is sized appropriately.